In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to turn the sleep timer on or off on your
JVC Smart TV.
whether you want to save energy, prevent your TV from running all night, or just need a little extra control over your viewing time. The sleep timer is a handy feature. Let's dive right into it. Step 1. Accessing the settings menu. The first step is to grab your remote and head to the settings menu. You'll do this by pressing the home button on your remote, which will bring up the TV's main menu. From here, scroll to the left and select Settings. Step 2. Navigate to General Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down to find General. This is where we'll find the sleep timer settings. Select General by pressing the OK or Enter button on your remote. Step 3. Select System Manager. Next, under the General Settings, scroll down to find System Manager. This is where you'll find options for system controls, including the sleep timer. Step 4. Access time settings. Now, in the System Manager menu, look for Time and select it. This will take you to the time settings for your TV. Step 5. Turn sleep timer on or off. Once you're in the time settings, you'll see the option for sleep timer. This is where you can either turn it on or off. If you want to enable the sleep timer, simply choose a time interval. 10, 20, 30, 60 minutes, and so on. If you want to turn it off completely, just select Off. It's as simple as that. Just select the desired time, and your TV will automatically turn off after the set duration. Step 6. Double check your settings. Once you've set the sleep timer, make sure to double check your settings before you exit. You can always come back to this menu if you want to adjust or disable it later. And that's it. You've now successfully turned the sleep timer on or off on your TV. This feature is great if you like to watch TV before bed and don't want it running all night. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.